Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about something important. Speaking English without fear. You are here because you want to speak English, but maybe you are shy or afraid of making mistakes. Don't worry, this video will help you. Many people feel nervous when speaking English. They worry about grammar, accent, or being judged. But guess what? Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes are not the enemy. Fear is. English is not about perfection. It's about communication. If you can speak even a little, that's great. With practice, you will improve. Now, repeat these powerful lines after me. Say them aloud with confidence. I am learning English. I am not afraid to speak. I make mistakes and I learn from them. My English is improving every day. I believe in myself. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. Speaking English is fun. I can do this. Speak a little English every day. Talk to yourself. Read English stories aloud. Watch English videos with subtitles. Try to think in English. Record your voice. Don't compare yourself with others. Just focus on your growth. Even 5 minutes daily will change your fluency. You are stronger than your fear. Your voice matters. Speak with pride, not fear. Start now. Start small. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be yours. So go ahead. Speak English without fear. You can do it. And I'm proud of you. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep speaking. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel.